Parliament is the supreme legislative body of the United Kingdom. One of its acts, the Bill of Rights, is seen as the crucial lemma in English constitutional law. In addition to restricting the monarchy's power, the bill also listed individuals' rights, including the prohibition of cruel punishment and the right of not paying tax levied without the approval of Parliament. This enhanced the protection of private property and hence paralleled capitalism. From then on, the GDP in England was boosted from 7.8 billion to 10.07 billion.
Healthcare is essential in supporting the growth of the economy. Parliament made a lot of efforts to improve the public's health. The first healthcare-related policy was called the 1848 Public Health Act. It was introduced to improve the living conditions of the poor by focusing more on hygiene, for instance, improved drainage. The Parliament had also been funding medical researchers and scientists for the work on developing vaccines. These vaccinations were used to stop the spread of many prevalent diseases in the past and throughout the 18th century.
Education is another main component of supply-side economics, and Parliament has been a central force in creating the British education system, dating back to the 1830s. Prior to the 19th century, the only children who had been sent to school were from the upper class going to private schools. This forced the working class children to work intensive, hazardous jobs. This all changed when the 1870 Education Act was introduced, delivering free education in Britain on a national scale. These acts pushed school attendance for all children between the ages of 5 to 10 to be compulsory, leading to a considerable decrease in child labour jobs. In conclusion, the exponential growth of Britain's GDP per capita around the late 1800s, as seen on the hockey stick diagram, can be associated with the government's public provision of education and healthcare. A highly educated and skilled workforce contributes to the functioning of dynamic capitalism in the UK.